Today
Akin yan.
is not just my birthday, but for me it represents siguro unity of everyone here. And it really reminded me of how loved I am. And I'm just gonna keep this short kasi guys, sobrang grabe. Hindi ko na talaga alam kung paano kayo papasalamatan. But for me, I can promise na I always strive to be the best version of myself. And isa rin sa wish ko sana, you know, there's 3 fandoms here, right? So, sa Solid Marco Masa, sa Team Marco Masa, sa Marcolets, maraming salamat talaga. And I really hope na we maintain this as intact as possible. Kasi this year is family. You know, you guys are my family. And sana, let's spread this positivity, not just to ourselves, but to the people outside this community. Sana, kapag sa bawat isa sa atin, kung may nahihirapan, let's be there for each other. Let's be there to support one another. Not just me, kasi ako, I'll always be here for you guys. Siguro sa simpleng, ito, sa pasasalamat ko sa inyo, sa mga magiging future ganaps ko, maaasahan nyo na I'm always doing my best because of you guys. And I really hope na sa mga times na sa bawat isa sa atin, hindi ko man maisa-isa, we have our own things going on in life. But this family, sana maging isa to sa pwede natin kapitan when we hit rock bottom, okay? Sana yung friendship, yung family, yung bond na nabuo dito sa atin, mas ma-spread din natin yung positivity sa ibang tao rin, even outside the fandoms. And let's keep it a healthy family, let's keep it a positive journey. And guys, you know, hindi lang naman to dito natatapos. So, I'm really sure na mag-meet pa tayo, marami pa tayong pagsasamahan, but this is a milestone right here. This is a milestone right here. And yeah, you're gonna witness every version of me. And I promise na sa bawat version na yan, I'm gonna show how grateful I am to have you guys. And lagi ko tong babalikan. Lagi ko tong babalikan yung mga moments ko with you guys every time na mahihirapan ako. And sana magtiwala tayo sa isa't isa. Mahalin natin ang isa't isa dahil mahal ko kayo. Maraming salamat. You know, para sa future ganaps natin, I'm going to see all of you. Palakihin pa natin to, and let's make this not just for ourselves, but para sa ikabubuti ng nakararami.